What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today. As you can see, Dogecoin is now down to 20 cents. We briefly touched 19 cents, but now we are back at 20 cents, but we're projected to go back down. Now, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now let's go over Dogecoin. So first things first, as you can see, the bears are in control by the market by 100%. So it shows Dogecoin here is 100% bearish. So I do want to mention a few things here. As you can see, the green area here is supply and demand. It shows that we have lots of demand for Dogecoin at 19 cents. So anytime Dogecoin hits 19 cents, we're pretty much going to go back up from 19 cents. So 19 cents is huge support for us with Dogecoin. Now, if we do go below 19 cents, we don't have support until like way down here at 18 cents. So right now, 19 cents seems like a pretty good area for us to land at. We'll probably be there by tomorrow. It's 8:47 p.m. right now on the 27th of November. So tomorrow it should be around 19 cents because as you can see, we're barely above 20 cents right now. We're at 2008. So barely above it. We can't really keep this. We can't keep this up at all. Like Dogecoin is going to continue to go down. Now, remember though, everything in the crypto market is going down. Everything from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, all that stuff is going down. And it's because of this new variant that we have. So I've already talked about this in my previous videos. But yeah, it's the new variant. This is really, taking the whole market by surprise. Even the stock market's going down. Everything's going down pretty much. So we're seeing huge drops all over the place. Now, over here, I want to talk about a few things here with Dogecoin. So Dogecoin price locked in downtrend as Doge bears take the wheel. Now, I would love for Dogecoin to go down. I want Dogecoin to hit 1 cent because, the buy the dip opportunity. Like Dogecoin has such a strong community that if we went all the way down that low, then we would just continue to rise like after that in the near future. So I'm long term with Dogecoin here. So over here, you can see Dogecoin price is locked within a bearish continuation pattern as buyers are nowhere to be found. So unless Doge escapes above 28, or not 28, but 208, the meme token could continue to trend lower, which will be good for us people that are trying to buy the dip. So slicing below 17.6 might spell even more trouble for the bulls. So right now, what we're seeing here with Dogecoin, constant downtrend, everything's going down. Like I said, now we see Bitcoin hit 45K or like 50K flat, we'll probably see an 18 cent Dogecoin. We see Bitcoin 45K to 40K, we'll probably see 15 cent, possibly even 10 cent Dogecoin. So that's what we're looking at here right now, though. Dogecoin is rejecting all of this downward pressure. And the reason why I'm saying it's rejecting it is because 20 cents, we have such heavy resistance or such heavy support at 19 cents. It does not want to go below that at all. Now, if we do hit that 19 cent area and go below it, not if, but probably when, because, if we keep having all this FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside the market, then yeah, we're definitely going to hit it. But I'm just waiting for Dogecoin to go down. Just thinking about it. You have $1,000, right? Divided by Dogecoin at 15 cents. That gives you 6,000 Dogecoins. Dogecoin reaches $1, that gives you $6,000. Now look at this at the macro perspective. Right, you have $1,000 right here, and then you divide it by 1 cent Dogecoin. 1 cent Dogecoin will bring you to 100,000 Dogecoins. At $1, that's $100,000. So I really want to see Dogecoin at 1 cent. So let's start a petition or something like Dogecoin at 1 cent. Everyone just start selling out right now. That's what I want to see. I want to see Dogecoin hit 1 cent so I can buy that dip. And I know a lot of people out there are waiting for it to dip as well. But 1 cent, we're probably not going to hit 1 cent. Let's be completely honest. And you also got to think about the market cap as well. Where we would be at 1 cent, it's just not logical. So let's do that as well. It's 32,290,517,091 times 0.01. So that would bring us to a $1.3 billion market cap. I don't see Dogecoin reaching a $1.3 billion market cap, considering that all the Dogecoin whales with the money in Dogecoin have a lot of money in there. So for one, let's go over here and look at this. So for starters, you can see, actually, this is the Bitcoin wallet. Or no, this is the Dogecoin wallet. So yeah, you can see here, the biggest Dogecoin whale has $6.2 billion. How are we going to reach 1.2 billion in market cap, 1 cent, where we have the biggest whale that does not sell out for one, and then we have all the other smaller people in Dogecoin that are so big with Dogecoin. They don't want to sell Dogecoin at all. So logically, Dogecoin can't go below certain price. Logically, it can't. So that's just how we got to look at these here. We got to look at these logically. like most of these top Dogecoin whales aren't selling as much as you would think they are. Like even looking at the fourth Dogecoin whale with 830 million, like they're not selling as much as you think. Yes, way back here they were selling back in the 29th of last month, but they haven't sold since then. Even though Dogecoin is down, they haven't sold since then. Now they did sell at 29 cents, so they probably predicted all of this. They dumped a lot of Dogecoin into the market, and they probably artificially lowered the price themselves, but they haven't sold since then. So that's something that we got to look at here. Now, this is a lot of money that they sold here in Dogecoin. Like, look at it. If you add all this money up, 101 million, 48 million, 789 million, 200 something million, like so much money, like billions. This person had billions of dollars inside Dogecoin. So they definitely put a lot of Dogecoin back into the market. But let's keep going over this. So Dogecoin price is sealed in a consolidation pattern as Doge fails to galvanize investors' enthusiasm. So until the K9 theme token is able to overcome a flurry of obstacles with the final hurdle at 23 cents, the meme token may continue to be trapped with a downtrend. So Dogecoin price confined in tight range. Yes, Dogecoin price is trapped within a descending parallel channel on the 4-hour chart as Doge continues to print lower highs and lower lows. The meme token is attempting to recover following the swing at 18.6. Now we're at 20 cents right now. So unless Dogecoin price is able to slice above the aforementioned hurdle, Doge may continue to consolidate. Like I said, it's a good thing for the people who want to buy the dip. So the dog theme token, as they call it, may discover its first line of defense at 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level at 19 cents. And then at the September 26 low at 19.3. So an additional foothold may arise at the local bottom of the 18.6 before Dogecoin price tags the lower boundary of the prevailing chart pattern at 17.6. So investors should note that if Doge falls below the downside trend line of the parallel channel, an ultimate bearish narrative of a 22% downswing toward 13 cents may be unraveled. I would love to see Dogecoin at 13 cents. So let's do some more math here, right? Let's take our, actually, let's back out of here. Let's take our circulating supply of Dogecoins, right? So let's go back over here, copy the circulating supply of Dogecoin, and then paste the circulating supply of Dogecoin here. Now, all we got to do is multiply that by 13 cents, and that's where our market cap will be. So at 13 cents, we'll have about an $18.1 billion market cap, which is definitely is very possible. Right now, we're at 26.9 billion market cap at 26, or yeah, 20 cents. We're at 26.9 billion market cap. So at 13 cents, we'll then be at a whole of 18 billion market cap. So I would love to see a 13-cent Dogecoin. Now, if you do the math again, divide your $1,000 by 13 cents. So 13.7, and that brings you to $7,200 at $1. So we definitely want to buy. I definitely want to buy the dip. I don't know if you want to, but I want to see Dogecoin go low so I can continue to buy it. But we know Dogecoin won't go below a certain price point because it can't. It logically can't. It mathematically cannot because the whales are holding it down. The retail traders are holding it down. Like mathematically, we cannot go below a certain point here at Dogecoin. So, anyways, investors should note that if Doge falls below, we can hit 13 cents. And over here, you can see to reverse the period of sluggish performance, Doge bulls should aim to slice above the middle boundary of the prevailing chart pattern at 20 cents. Additional resistance may appear at the 21 4-hour simple moving average at 21 cents. So then at the 54-hour SMA at 221. So another stiff hurdle may emerge at the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level at 23.2, coinciding with the resistance line given by the momentum reversal indicator in the upper boundary of the parallel channel. So escaping above the top side trend line of the governing technical pattern could see the meme token's momentum shift to the upside, potentially targeting bigger aspirations. So, however, Dogecoin price must also overcome the 104-hour SMA at 236 and the 204-hour SMA, which intersects with the 50% retracement level at the 254 area. So pretty much, if we want to be bullish here with Dogecoin, we got to pass 23 cents. We got to hold strong above it. But first, we got to pass 21 cents. We got to hold strong above that. But right now, you can see we're really not holding strong above any of these levels. We're at 1997 right now. So yeah, Dogecoin is still on the downtrend. I don't believe we're going to just take off and break that resistance anytime soon. The 22.15 resistance is what they're saying we have to break over here. Over here, they're saying 22.21. I say 22.15. But anyways, 22.15, 22.21. Either way, like we have to break that resistance. If we can't, we're not going to rise with Dogecoin. And as you can see, we don't have that much, pump inside Dogecoin. So over here, the green area shows lots of demand. So yes, we have lots of demand at 19 cents. But then when you look over here, we have less demand in this red area here. It's a very small red area. So we could end up breaking it. But I want to mention this. Right now, we are waiting to see what happens with this whole variant. We got to see if Bitcoin will gain its market cap. We got to see if Bitcoin can rise again. Because with this variant, like it's spreading a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside the whole overall market, right? So we have 1 trillion still inside Bitcoin. Good news. But if we see Bitcoin go down below $1 trillion, if Bitcoin goes down below 1 trillion, then the whole market is just gonna take it down. And what I want to say right here, $24 billion market cap right now, or not 24 billion, but it's 1 trillion 24 billion. So just think about it. If this 24 billion gets wiped out and we go below a whole trillion, that's gonna be really bearish. Because if 24 billion gets wiped out of Bitcoin, you better bet that at least 10 billion gets knocked out of Doge, leading Doge down to the 13, or not the 13, but the 18 billion market cap that they were talking about. So that's what we could see coming up inside the near term crypto market. If we continue with this bullish movement, if we continue to have FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But usually whenever we get these new variants, we get these mandates, these lockdowns all over the world, then we usually go down on a downtrend because that's FUD. It's fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the purest form. So that's really all I got for the technical analysis. I just wanted to go over the technicals for you all. But yeah, let's talk some Dogecoin talk. So as you can see, Dogecoin is still down 2.1% in the last 24 hours, 14% in the last 7 days, and then 23% in the last 14 days, 32% in the last 30 days. Still got Dogecoin down over there. And then over here, you can see there is some Doge swag though. So let's bring some light into the situation. I know we're talking about the bearish movements of the crypto market, the bearish movements of Dogecoin, where it's possibly going to go. But let's talk about some good stuff here. So Doge swag, if you all want to get Doge swag, it is sustained from natural stuff out there. So we've made sure that the Doge swag is made from natural materials and renewable energy powered factories. And each tea is designed to be remade. We also provide Doge Army tea buyers with full traceability on how it's made. Happy Earth, happy moon, much wow. So 100 billion items of clothing are created every year, which means a truck full of textile waste is burned or buried every single second. Much sad. It's crazy, which is why all our swag comes with a QR code. So instead of throwing it away, send it back for free to be remade. So pretty much, if your shirt gets ripped, if your shirt gets dirty, anything happens to you, you want to send your Doge swag back, you just send it with the QR code, and they're gonna take it back for free. Now, I do want to say, what about the shipping? You're shipping it back. You're shipping things here and there. I mean, but we can't avoid all fossil fuels. We can't avoid all bad pollutions for the economy. It's almost impossible until we come up with solutions like electric cars, electric trucks, and electric planes and stuff like that. But right now, this is the best we can do. Dogecoin is doing it. Dogecoin is doing it with the Doge swag. If you all want to check out the Doge swag, just go over to the website. They have a whole website for Doge swag. So let's actually click it so we can see it. Dogecoinswag.store. So here are the Dogecoin tees if you really want some Dogecoin tees. Here they are. So yeah, made from natural materials. We use natural material, not plastic, and everything we make is designed to be sent back in when it's worn out pretty much. So plastic-free packaging, renewable energy, all that good stuff. Dogecoin is for sustainable energy. So shout out to Doge. Do only good every day. That's exactly what we stand for. But yeah, let's just talk about some Dogecoin whales briefly. Like I said, it's going to be very hard for us to go below a certain market cap. So, for instance, $6.2 billion in this Doge wallet, $1 billion in this Doge wallet, $1 billion is in this one, 830 million, 389 million. It's going to be very hard for Dogecoin to go below a certain market cap. We have so many different holders, more than the whales. So, over here, you can see we have 80, this wallet here, this whale here, they came in with $80 million yesterday pretty much. And now they're at 79.4. They still haven't sold out, but they're probably going to try to do some kind of flip. This Dogecoin whale right here, they did some kind of flip. They tried to 78.8 million down to 77.2 million earlier today. So yeah, these Dogecoin whales, they're trying to manipulate the price. Let's be honest. They're coming in, they're going out. Coming in, going out. This Dogecoin whale came in at 44.971. and now they're at 44.6. So these Dogecoin whales, they're really trying to double down on those, but yeah, they're still losing just like the rest of us. This one came in 40.7 earlier yesterday, and left with the same amount. All these Dogecoin whales, they all got the same transactions, 40.7 million. So I believe these ones with 40.7 million are the same person, just putting it in different wallets. But yeah, like I said, there's a lot of money flowing through Dogecoin, so I definitely don't believe we'll go down in 1 cent. It's just not going to happen. Like $1 billion market cap Dogecoin, that's not going to happen. It can't happen. It's not possible. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe though. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.